September 1st. It's day 4 of our cruise. We at Disney's private island, which is Castaway Cay or Castaway Cay, depends on how you want to say it. But we're about to get off, have some lunch, and do some beach. Do some beach activities with the little one and get back on and try to do this aqueduct and let the little one play in the little water again. So come along and let's see how Castaway Cay is. Right here. She got her little ears on. Say hi, Zaya. She got a little doll. I don't know why she bring all that, but okay. So we'll be back with you once we're out in a minute. This is our way out. I'm gonna put up the camera so we can go out security. All right, you guys. Oh, it is so hot. Our tram has arrived. We're about to ride this and see where it takes us. I think it's 2 stops, so come on, let's go. Get in this back one. Okay. Come on. Good. So hot, you all. It is hot. Scorching. Is it hot out here enough for you all? Is it hot? You hot? Yeah, I'm sweating so bad. We're gonna ride around this probably one time to see where it all stops and goes. Then we'll get off at the beach at the next one. I think lunch is being served. So we're gonna grab some lunch and then we're gonna hit the beach. Right, Zaya? We're gonna hit the beach?
Yeah.
After we eat lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. She is ready to get into the beach, right?
That's right.
Hey there, my Em-skees. We're at Disney's private island, Castaway Cay, where we're going to enjoy a wonderful beach day. We took the tram to the center of the island. There you can rent bikes. They have a splash pad for kids. They had a water slide for kids and adults. You could snorkel, just about anything you wish to do on the beach. We had a wonderful time and I hope you enjoy. Here we go. We're off. This is Pelican Bay. This is where I think it's the family beach and lunch. So we're about to go grab some lunch and put this little one on the beach. So we'll see you when we get to lunch. So it's the bike rental. You can rent bikes. It is so hot out here, you all. It is scorching. It's too hot to be riding a bike. This is the beach area where you can have all different kind of seatings. You don't have to pay an extra fee. They have a little water park over there. We'll see. It's the little kids area. I will have to bring her over here. Little kids water park area. We found the place to eat. Pavilion. Have to go get us something to eat. Find us a place to sit down at. We'll grab this table right here. We'll find us something to eat. I'll be back. This is the food. Got hamburgers, fruit, ribs, hot dogs, corn on the cob, potato salad, coleslaw, chips, and drinks. Like the ice cream machine. So we're about to sit. I'm hot, burning up, and get in this water and enjoy, refresh, cool off. See you when I take this little one to the water. We're going to the beach. Taking this little one to the beach. It is hot. I'll just film a little bit of us going to the beach. I'm gonna try to film me on this aqueduct by myself. But it is hot, you all. So hot. Hot. But look. The beach. So pretty. Got a little thing over there. I think she gotta be a certain age to get to that. But yeah. We're just gonna do this beach for now and take her back on the ship. The beach, the beach, the beach. Come on, Zaya. The baby here.
If she doesn't take it, can I have it? Hey, I'll take it, Ellie. Take it.
You in the beach, Zaya? Oh, it feels good, huh?
Yeah, take it.
It's a fish. That's pretty. Come here. Yeah. Come on, Zaya. She's scared of the fish now. Oh, you see the ship over there. This is so beautiful. Just seen a big old fish. I don't know what kind it was, but it was just swimming on by. Got this one back here behind me, scared. It's still hot, but it's still refreshing to be in the water. Let's see if I can try to get her back in the water. All right. Look at her, you all. She will not get back in this water because she's seen that fish earlier. It's too hot for all this. I'm actually in the water. It's hot. And I think we're about to call it a day because she do not want to get back in. This little girl right here. Do not want to get back in the water. Come on, let's get in. See? So say, tell them bye. Hey there, I took my niece to the splash pad after she would no longer go on to the beach. Afterwards, we went back on the ship where I went on the aqueduct and I took her back to the water slides in the kids' play area. Enjoy the next scene. I just finished riding the aqueduct, which is this right here. Start off, and it goes around. I did not know it was going to get me soaking wet. And it goes around. My little niece, there she goes, she just slid down that slide. But the aqueduct, it was fun. Got a muscle spasm on the top of my stomach again. But I was not expecting to get drenched, like soaking wet. My hair is just wet. And when it gets wet, it gets heavy. So I was like this because it was so heavy, but it was fun. We're about to go and shower and get ready for dinner and enjoy our last night on the ship. We're back in Miami tomorrow. And I'm gonna end it like that. So see you when we get ready for dinner. What up, my Em-skees? We're on our way to dinner. It's our final dinner on the cruise. Look at this little girl. And put the little glow stick around her waist. But we're about to go and eat dinner. We're eating at the Royal something, I forgot. That's where we eat at for breakfast. This is our last night, so that's where we're at today. So hopefully this little one will eat something because she hasn't eaten all day. So she should be hungry. She's been wanting to get in the water. But she ate ice cream and she drank the rest of her drink. Look, oh, she's switching, y'all. Hold on. Look at her.
Zaya, stop shaking.
Don't say what. She's a mess. But we're going to get back. Got my mother behind me. We're going to get back with you once we get to our table. My hair's still soaking wet. We had a good time today.
How are you?
Eating at the Royal. Royal Palace is where we're eating at. You guys, we're eating at our final dinner. Look at our view we have. Zaya? Mom? Hopefully the food will be good. Gotta check the menu and see what I want when I get back with you all. Alright, you all, one of my appetizers came. I got the shrimp and lobster. Same thing. Here it is. And Zaya, we ordered her some fried chicken, so hopefully she'll eat it. And my mom got the same thing. She got her some chocolate milk. You gonna say thank you?
Thank you.
Wait, baby. Hold on. I'll get back. Say bye-bye. Zaya? Are you ready?
My family always makes it up to 7.
Okay.
Very, very South North Carolina. Like, she drives 30 minutes from South Carolina.
I guess not.
You get in the picture line.
Cheese. Over here.
All right, Mom, get in.
Cheese. Mom, you want to get into?
But look, you all, we're cruising, and I've never seen this. It's so pretty. Got lights. Feels so good out here. Yeah. So a little one. Look at me. Did you have a good time on your first Disney cruise?
Nope.
You had a good time.
I was just telling
Alrighty. So we're on our way to try to catch this this show that we're late for. But all their Disney theater shows have been outstanding. When I say outstanding, it's like a big production, like I'm on Broadway, and you know, you pay a lot of money to see some Broadway. And if I have to say, if for anything I paid for the theater shows, it was well worth it. It was, you know, every show has been outstanding. So we're gonna catch this one. Is last, you know, we was just in line to see Bella, so it went over. So it just started. We're probably like 10 minutes in, so hopefully we get us a seat and see the rest of the show. Then we got to go pack and then try to come back to go see a movie that we have not been to the movie theater here. So we'll be back later. Disney Dream. It went to the Bahamas and Castaway Keys, or Castaway Cays, whichever way you want to say it. And we only got off at the Disney's private island, which is Castaway Cay. And it was a beautiful day. It was just so hot. It was scorching hot. But we had a good day at the beach, and we ended up going to the pool. I got on the aqueduct. I couldn't film because I didn't have the headpiece or the chest piece for my GoPro. So perhaps next time, but it was fun. My hair is still wet, and the baby had a good time. That's all that matters. She had a wonderful time. She got to meet all of the princesses except for Cinderella. She didn't get to see Daffy Duck, but she got to see a lot of characters. So it was a good time, and we'll be better prepared for the next Disney cruise that we go on, which hopefully be sometime next year. So until then, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and positive comments. Until next time, toodles. All right, my Em-skees, this wrapped up the end of my first Disney cruise series. I truly hope that you all have enjoyed. I want you to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell so you can receive all my post notifications, and enjoy these beautiful pics. Until next time, toodles.